What's going on, everybody? This is Davon Marquise West, aka Mark West, with CLEP Guinea Pig, and yes, I am your CLEP Guinea Pig. And this is just a continuation from the other psychology videos I've been doing, the free study guide videos. Just the learning and memory portion of the study guide, the official CLEP psychology study guide, or psychology CLEP study guide from CLEP Guinea Pig. There's a lot of CLEPs in there. But anywho, really quick, some really great features about this guide. One, it follows the breakdown from the College Board to the T. It's been put together with the help of professionals, experts in the field, PhDs whenever possible, of course, as well as my notes, a compilation of my notes. And it's been perfected over the years. Started this brand in 2016. Just been making small improvements over the years, and I'm finally at the point where I'm ready to actually launch products. And I'm doing this special for YouTube because that's where I started my brand. So anybody watching this video, I really recommend you go ahead and just pause, take notes, screenshot, whatever it is that you need to do to get the information, because it is really valuable information. And I kid you not when I say these study guides have really helped a lot of people, somewhere in the thousands over the last 4 years. It's various versions of them, but this is the one that I'm going to be putting out there, and it's just gonna get better. This is just gonna get better. Everything that I do, everything that my team and the contributors that have helped me build these products, everything we do is just gonna get better over the next however long this company is gonna be alive. So I said a mouthful. Please, make sure you go through the study guides. Or make sure you go through. I'm gonna go through the study guide. So that was the first page. This one in particular is 2 pages, learning and memory. And go ahead and go to the next one. So please, like I said, go ahead and pause and take your notes. If you could like and subscribe, I really appreciate that, because just from watching this video, liking the video, and then subscribing to the channel, that right there helps the brand a lot. And if you are interested in purchasing a full study guide, you can follow the links in the description. I'm gonna hook you up with a sweet discount just from watching this video. That's supporting me and supporting the brand, and I really appreciate it. Every dollar that goes into these products, every purchase that's made, it just gets reinvested into making the products better and better. So thank you so much. All right, guys. Hope this video was valuable. Hope you found a lot of good information. You want to reach out to me, you already know I'm super accessible. You can text me at 619-432-5947. You can shoot me an email, mark@clepguineapig.com. And I hope to hear from you all very soon. Until next time, peace.